Introduce highlight features and quick overview of GUGUGO Black Ceramic Pizza Stone Set with Pizza Cutter and Pizza Peel for oven baking and barbecue grill, non-stick and durable and safe cooking stones. Crispy crust gifts for pizzas bread, 15x 12-inch rectangular. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The best pizza stone is coated in a non-stick black glaze ceramic, which leaves less stain from grease or burnt crust and makes it easy to clean. Also, our heavy-duty stone has golden 5/8 inch thickness that achieves a perfect balance between distributing heat for the perfect crispy crust and time requirement for preheating stones. Our baking stone is crafted from natural and high-quality cordierite, certified to be non-toxic and no smell. As it is thermal shock resistant up to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, there is no need to worry about cracking if the hot grilling stone suddenly chilled by cold water. For its scratch resistant, it is impossible to eat any debris coming off the stone after cleaning it with a sharp scraper. For pizza turning peel, its 19-inch long handle keeps your body far away from a piping hot oven to avoid getting burned. And it is the sturdy threaded tip secured to the wooden handle that allows you to quickly detach and easily store. An aluminum head is much easier to slip under pizzas for rotating and pulling out of grills. Our stainless steel cutter rocker is designed with ergonomic handle and sharp arc blade, that could slice pizzas easily without pushing aside delicious toppings. And it is with protective blade guard for safe handling and easy storage. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.